Hello, precious people. Hello, precious family. This is Giancarlo Tavares with Heaven on Earth Television, broadcasting from New York City. I bless you. I love you. I declare you're healed right now. Heal in your body, heal in your mind, heal in your heart, heal in your finances, heal in every area of your life. You are beautiful. You are wonderful. You are precious. Embrace, embrace this beautiful day today with love. I pray, precious universe and angels in heaven, expand tonight our capacity to love, our capacity to love ourselves, our capacity to love all others, our capacity to love nature, our capacity to love. I declare creative miracles in our lives today, in our spirits, souls, and bodies. And I command Archangel Raphael to go into the nations and give you the miracle you require. And remember, you are the miracle. I love you. I bless you. I send you infinite love and light. And thank you for doing the same for me. Have a good night, a great day. I bless you. I love you. I thank you. Visit my websites and enjoy all the services I have for you there with love. Take care. Good night. Be good. Stay positive. Love you.